Hi dear students, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel for learning French in English with Professor Javed. I'm sure that you are enjoying watching my videos, knowing the fact that I have already given a lot of video for learning English and French spontaneously with me. So this is what I have been doing for a long time. So if you want to learn English and French spontaneously, so you have landed at the right place. I can definitely help you by providing you all the vocabulary, all the expressions in order to help you improve your French pronunciation, English pronunciation. You can start practicing French, English while participating, attending my sessions on YouTube, on Zoom, as well as on Skype as well. So there is no problem. You have to just send me a request on my given social networks. I will definitely reply you over there and you can start practicing with me. It is very simple to learn English and French because I have been helping thousands of students coming from all over the world to learn French, English while enjoying themselves. So this is your time to learn English and French with me. I can definitely help you to learn French, English in Urdu as well. So if there are someone who can understand Urdu, I have seen a lot of people coming from India, from Pakistan, they want to learn French, they want to learn English, but in Urdu. So right now I have created this opportunity for you. You have to just join me. I will give you everything, whatever is possible to boost your level and to make you speak English and French in Urdu. There is no problem. I can provide you each and everything. You have to just join me. You have to just follow me. You have to subscribe my channel. You have to click on the bell icon and you have to share my channel to everybody. Whoever want to learn English, French, in Urdu, in any language, I can definitely help you. I can speak different languages. So you have to just follow all my videos that I will share in upcoming days and you will see that you will start enjoying yourself while speaking French, English with me. It is for free of cost. Don't hesitate. Feel free to join me and to contact me. You will be happy to learn English and French while enjoying yourself with me. Okay? Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.